How to use content-aware crop and fill in Photoshop. Content-aware crop and fill is a powerful tool in Photoshop that allows you to remove unwanted objects from an image and fill in the empty space with new content that matches the surrounding area. This can be useful for a variety of tasks, such as removing blemishes from a portrait, cropping out a distracting background, or even creating a new composition from scratch. To use content-aware crop and fill, 1. Simply select the crop tool from the toolbar and click and drag around the area of the image that you want to keep. 2. Then, click the content-aware fill button in the options bar. Photoshop will automatically remove the unwanted objects from the image and fill in the empty space with new content. Here are some tips for using content-aware crop and fill. Make sure that the area that you want to keep is well defined. If there are any blurry or indistinct edges, Photoshop may not be able to remove the unwanted objects completely. If the unwanted objects are in the foreground of the image, you may need to increase the contrast or brightness of the image before using content-aware crop and fill. This will help Photoshop to better identify the edges of the objects that you want to remove. If the unwanted objects are in the background of the image, you may need to decrease the contrast or brightness of the image before using content-aware crop and fill. This will help Photoshop to better blend the new content with the surrounding area. You can use the content-aware fill button multiple times to remove multiple objects from an image. You can also use the content-aware fill button to fill in empty space with new content. This can be useful for creating new compositions from scratch. Content-aware crop and fill is a powerful tool that can be used to remove unwanted objects from an image and fill in the empty space with new content. With a little practice, you can use this tool to create stunning images that are free of distractions.